Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's officially summer and that means that my kids are on break from Sunday school. For me, that means I have to think of ways to quietly keep them entertained for about 2 hours every single Sunday. My solution to this is creating some busy binders for them that they can do quietly. So what that consists of is basically a binder that I have here. So this one's for Evelyn. I went to a dollar store near me and I went and I picked out some very inexpensive activities for them. Things that they can do quietly, things that they haven't seen before, and things that will get them excited and also quietly playing for a couple of hours at church. I created a small system of pockets and pencil pouches with little things and little toys that they've never seen before. I've compiled a few new things that I purchased for them specifically for these busy binders, and also just a few things that we've already had around the house. So for instance, for Evelyn, she has a sticker face activity book here that she can quietly do. She can take out the pages with the faces and she can put the stickers on. Also, she's got a couple pouches here. So the first pouch has a few like little mermaid dolls. There's also a little notepad in here. You can color and write something in. The second pouch, she just has some small little like plastic bugs, a small box of crayons, and then just a calculator, just because sometimes it's fun for the kids to press like buttons and things like that and just like see numbers appear on a screen. So I thought that was just something fun for her to have in there. And then she also has this little felt activity set that we got at Target a couple weeks ago. She can just take this out. She can play with the felt pieces, and then when she's done, she can put it back in this bag and just stick it back in here. And then also I picked this up at the dollar store and I thought this was an amazing deal, but it's just a coloring book. And it also comes with some stickers on the inside. It comes with crayons. And this is just a binder that she can have specifically on Sundays. I'm not gonna let the kids play with these binders on a regular day, just because that when Sunday rolls around, I really want them to be excited for what's in here and not be like a regular toy that they've already been seeing and just not interested in playing with anymore. And I also created a few different pouches so that week after week, I can just change them out, interchange them, and the binders will be nice and fresh for the kids every single week, so they are continuously interested in what's in here and playing with them. Now for Timmy, I followed a very similar concept. I simply took an activity book that we already had on hand. In the pencil pouches, we also have a box of crayons. We have a couple notepads and some little plastic critters for him to kind of play with. Also, there's just some small toys in here. These are two little motorcycles, a calculator for him as well. Also has a little felt setup. And also for him, a very similar coloring book, just like Evelyn has. This one is the Cars version. Hopefully this is just something that will keep him occupied. Also, another tip is to actually put like a little treat or a little snack in one of the pouches for the kids. Something like fruit snacks that isn't going to be messy, it's not going to be loud, it's not going to be sticky or anything. But I think it's just a nice little treat for the kids to have in the middle of the service or wherever and whenever you need them to be quiet. It's a nice little treat and distraction for them as well. So that's just something nice for them to look forward to. The other thing that I'm going to have them take along with their binders is going to be their children's Bibles. So Timmy has his little VeggieTales Bible and Evelyn has her little pink girl Bible. It's something for them to look through, to keep them interested, so they can feel like they are part of the service as well. And then at home, I always keep a different variety of all kinds of little activity books for the kids, because once they're bored of one activity book, you can easily switch it out for the other and always keep things fresh and interesting. Now that I've put the binders together, I noticed that it actually would probably be a better idea to put them in some kind of little tote bags for the kids. I figured that having a little tote bag would actually be a lot more convenient. So I think I'm gonna see how this goes, and in the future I might just purchase a couple tote bags off Amazon and fill those up, and the kids can just grab theirs and then go every Sunday. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you mamas out there to keep your kids busy, quiet, and definitely on a budget. The dollar store is my favorite place to go and get like little kids activities, because I know I don't have to shell out a lot of money, and kids lose interest in toys so quickly. So this is such a great way to keep things interesting and new for them, and definitely stick to a budget. So much for sticking out until the end. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.